This is just vertical angles, linear angles, and the sum of triangles. Okay, so we need to know all these angles. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, let's do this. All right. Well, see here, this crosses with this. Vertical angles. So right away I know that this is 80 degrees. Bam, that one's done. Okay, now I look and I see here that this one and this one together form a linear pair, so they add up to 180 degrees. So this has to be 100 degrees because they're linear. Because x plus z should be 180 degrees. Linear pair. All right, there's that one. Okay, let's see. Got this one, this one. We need this one, this one. Oh, found some. Found one. Okay. Okay. Notice this has a little arrow here, and the little arrow means these lines are parallel. So if I look at this transversal, so here, let me just draw these here to make it easier. Parallel lines. So this one here, that's this line here. And this one here, that's this angle right here. That's 80 degrees. Well, alternate interior angles. No, these are parallel. These are alternate interior angles, so this has to be 80 degrees. So I get 80 degrees right here. Okay, and then let me see. Another pair of vertical angles. So this one and this one here are the same. So that has to be 80 degrees. Okay, right, because this one and this one are the same. Let's see. Now I need to know this one. And just for kicks and giggles, we're also going to find that one, okay? And so, if you look here, I have another set of linear angles. It's not a linear pair, but this angle plus this angle plus this angle here, all the way across like this, has to be 180 because that's a line. So let me draw it over here. So this one, that one is 80 degrees. This is Y, and this is 40 degrees. That needs to add up to 180 degrees total. So that's 80 plus 40 plus Y has to be 180. I'm going to subtract 80 from both sides just because it's easy. So I'm going to subtract 80 from here, minus 80 from here, and I'll be left with this one and this one are 0, so I'm left with 40 plus y. Here, let me use it so you can see it. 40 plus y equal to 180 minus 80 is 100. And now I'm going to subtract 40 to get rid of the 40. So this one and this was 0. So y equals 60 degrees. And you can see 60 plus 40 is 100, plus 80 is 180. Okay? So that's 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Okay. And you know, this one plus this one plus this one. Oh, let me come down here. This triangle here should also be 180. If they ask you for this one, then again, this one plus this one, it's 80 plus 60. That is 120 degrees. Wait. That's 140 degrees, sorry. So that means that this has to be, 40 degrees, right? So they all add up to 180. So let me do this right. 80 plus 60 plus this angle, I don't know, A should equal 180. So 140 plus A should equal 180. 140 plus 40 equals 180. So that means A has to be 140. It has to be 40. So you could find all kinds of things, right? I'm just going to keep finding more. This one and this one, this is 60 degrees because they're vertical angles. Oh, look, this one and this one are also vertical angles. That's 40 degrees. This one and this one, you don't need all these. You don't need all these, okay? You don't need them all. But I just wanted you to see the different ones, okay? Just in case. All right.